I'm making corned beef hash for breakfast with some eggs on the side and some toast. I'm making the eggs over easy or fried eggs. So basically what you see here what I'm going to be using. And if you've never had corned beef hash, I'll show you how it looks when I open a can. But anyway, it's a very simple and very quick meal to make. To put in it, I'm adding some peppers and onions, garlic, and I'm going to season it up with some sazon, salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder. So let's get started. Okay guys, so this is corned beef hash and this is how it looks out of the can. So I'm going to start frying it up now. And right now I'm making some eggs. And I have my oil heated on low. Oops. Well, it was heated on low. Heated on low. So we're going to start frying this up. Okay, so I'm going to start frying up the peppers first. And then the onions. Okay, so this, you can find, like I said before, you can find this without the potatoes. And you can add your own potatoes if you want. My mother used to make this for us when I was younger. So, I love corned beef, and I haven't had it in years. So basically what you want to do is you want to get the oil hot. So you can kind of start frying it up. But you don't want to burn it. Okay, in addition to this, I'm going to add some peppers. Some more peppers, bigger peppers and onion. I just like to see my food. I love color. Now I'm going to add the peppers and the onions just for extra texture in the corned beef hash. And this dish is eaten in a lot of countries. Some people like it with tomato sauce. Some people like it crunchy. So it depends on your preference. If you like it, you can make it any way you want to. But I like to eat mine in a soft, consistency. I don't like it crunchy, the edges crunchy or the bottom crunchy. So, I mean, you make it however you want to make it. Now I'm just adding some sazon. I'm adding the dry seasoning now. So I'm adding some sazon, garlic, onion powder, salt and pepper. Just give it a little more flavor. In addition, I'm adding some olives to it. So I'm making it sort of like I make picadillo. So I'm just trying it out for today to see how it tastes. Now, the one thing I'm not going to add is when I make picadillo, I add wine to it and a little bit of sugar. Today, I'm not going to even try it with that because I think the meat is too minced. It's too minced. So if I add wine to it, I think it might be too much for the, it might just be overwhelming with the wine. So I'm going to leave that out today. So I'm just going to let this cook about maybe 2 more minutes and then I'm going to take it out. Okay, so this is my corned beef. Slide this over. And my egg. to some toast. Get some toast, some butter and toast. And I made some coffee, so that's it. Well guys, this is it. This is my finished corned beef hash and eggs and toast, and I made some coffee to go along with it, of course. I just wanted to show you how quick and easy making corned beef is. And you can, like I said, you can find it without the potatoes in it, and you can add the potatoes later, or you can just buy the one that's already with the potatoes in the can. And this is the one with the olives. And I paired it with some rice and avocado. But I wanted to show you how you can change it up. You don't have to eat it traditional. You can change it up any way you want to. Well guys, thank you for taking the time out to watch my channel. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Have a good day. God bless. Bye-bye.